Hello, and welcome back to the Celtic Farm. Today, we're exploring the 7 deadly sins of fertilizing, common mistakes that can harm your plants. By understanding these pitfalls, we can avoid them and create a garden that truly flourishes. Let's dive in. Our first sin is overindulgence, thinking that if a little is good, then a lot must be better. This common misconception can lead to a host of problems in our gardens. When we over-fertilize, we disrupt the delicate balance of nutrients in the soil. It's easy to think that more fertilizer will result in bigger, healthier plants, but the reality is often the opposite. Over-fertilizing can upset the soil's balance, leading to stunted growth, leaf burn, and root damage. Plants can become stressed and more susceptible to diseases and pests. One sign of over-fertilization is a white crust on the soil surface, which is a buildup of salts from excess fertilizer. This salt buildup can make it difficult for plants to absorb water and nutrients. Wilting leaves, even in moist soil, indicate dehydration caused by concentrated fertilizer. The roots are unable to take up water properly, leading to a stressed and unhealthy plant. Excess fertilizer can leach into groundwater, polluting waterways and harming aquatic life. Runoff from gardens can lead to nutrient pollution in rivers, lakes, and oceans, causing algae blooms and dead zones. Nitrogen-based fertilizers, when overused, release nitrous oxide, a potent greenhouse gas. This contributes to climate change and can have long-term impacts on our environment. So, how much is too much? A soil test reveals the nutrient content of your soil, guiding you on the right amount of fertilizer to use. It's a simple step that can prevent many problems. Start with half the recommended dosage and observe your plant's response. It's easier to add more fertilizer later than to deal with the consequences of over-fertilization. Remember, our goal is to nourish, not overwhelm. A balanced approach ensures that plants get the nutrients they need without the risk of damage. A gentle approach is often best. By applying fertilizer cautiously and monitoring your plants, you can achieve a thriving garden. You can always add more if needed. It's much harder to correct the damage caused by too much fertilizer. Let's keep our gardens balanced and thriving. By understanding the needs of our plants and the impact of our actions, we can create a healthy and sustainable garden environment. Just as over-fertilizing can harm plants, so can neglecting their nutritional needs. When plants don't receive the essential nutrients they require, their growth and overall health suffer significantly. Under-fertilizing is like putting plants on a starvation diet. They survive but don't thrive. Signs include stunted growth, pale or yellow leaves, and a general lack of vigor. You may also notice fewer flowers and fruits, which can be particularly disappointing for gardeners hoping for a bountiful harvest. Additionally, under-fertilized plants become more susceptible to pests and diseases. Without the necessary nutrients, their natural defenses weaken, making them easy targets. Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are crucial for various aspects of plant health. Nitrogen is essential for leaf growth, phosphorus supports root development, and potassium is vital for flower and fruit production. Each of these nutrients plays a unique role in ensuring plants reach their full potential. A soil test can reveal nutrient deficiencies, providing valuable insights into what your garden needs. By understanding the specific requirements of your soil, you can make informed decisions about fertilization. Choose the right fertilizer to replenish your soil and revitalize your plants. There are various types of fertilizers available, each designed to address different nutrient deficiencies. A healthy garden is a thriving ecosystem. When plants receive the nutrients they need, they grow stronger and more resilient. By providing nutrients, we empower plants to grow strong and resist disease. Healthy plants are better equipped to fend off pests and withstand environmental stresses. Let's nourish our gardens with care. Watch them flourish and transform into vibrant, thriving spaces. With the right balance of nutrients, your garden can become a sanctuary of growth and beauty. Using the wrong fertilizer is like serving a meal your plants can't digest. Just as humans need a balanced diet to stay healthy, plants require specific nutrients to grow and thrive. When you use the wrong fertilizer, you might be giving your plants too much of one nutrient and not enough of another, leading to poor growth and health issues. Different plants have different nutritional needs. For instance, Vegetables, flowers, and shrubs all have unique requirements. Understanding these needs is crucial for a flourishing garden. Leafy greens thrive on nitrogen-rich fertilizers, which promote lush green foliage. On the other hand, flowering plants need phosphorus to support blooming and root development. Using the wrong type of fertilizer can stunt their growth and reduce their ability to produce flowers or fruits. Soil composition also plays a crucial role. The type of soil in your garden can affect how well plants absorb nutrients. Sandy soils, for example, drain quickly and may require more frequent fertilization, while clay soils retain moisture and nutrients longer. A soil test reveals pH levels and nutrient content, guiding you to the right fertilizer. By understanding the specific needs of your soil, you can choose a fertilizer that complements its natural properties, ensuring your plants get the nutrients they need. Using the wrong fertilizer can lead to nutrient imbalances and toxicities. For example,